Komodo RHINO Fire Nation. I don't have a clue what it is, but it looked cool, especially for $14.99 on Amazon. The Avatar movie, I know what it is, but I don't know any of these characters. I assume this is from the movies. I've never seen any of the Avatar movies, but I've seen Avatar, like, commercials and stuff. I'm not really an Avatar person. McFarlane Toys again, of course, up top left-hand side, Nickelodeon. McFarlane's going to be able to buy Microsoft here soon. He's got to be raking in the money, especially with that 2-year deal that extended for the DC line for the figures. But anyway, I'm not going to try to make this real long. The reason why I'm doing this, I know I did a video a couple of days ago or a week or so ago about different head swaps in the Batman. The Batman, this one here, Caveman Batman. I know I did it with the Battle Cat, Revelations Battle Cat. We'll do comparisons here in a minute. I still think this would be cool. I thought as soon as I saw this for this Batman, but this Batman's such a giant piece. He's a big piece. He's jacked up and muscular, which is badass. This is probably the best figure McFarlane ever put out, exception from the earlier Spawn figures, I think. But anyway, let me put him over here for a second. Let's open him up. Like I said, I don't know if this is a good guy or bad guy, but it's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. Let's get it. See if I can get him out of the box. No, without too much noise. I hate the noises boxes make and stuff. So I know you're probably thinking the same thing I'm thinking, but this thing's I might just speed this part up just to get him out of the box. All right, here we go. Okay, I apologize again for my focusing on my camera. I don't know. I kind of want to paint this. Yeah, his tail doesn't move. Oh wow, this is it's got like bendy wire in here or something, I guess. I'm not too concerned about the articulation. Oh, the arms don't even move. Oh wow. Okay. Probably take some Milliput if I'm really going to paint this thing and put it in the cracks. Maybe not. I don't know. This thing here. Wow. Okay. This thing's stiff. This thing's the head sculpt's pretty cool. The harness is pretty cool. I would definitely change this gold out. I don't like the gold. The red looks okay. The red looks okay. I don't like that the horns match his skin. I do like the seat. Man, he don't even sit right, son of a bitch. Look at this. Well, I guess he can be walking. Just like a big ass. What are them big ass lizards? Real big giant lizards. I can't think of the name of it. You know, they kind of look like salamanders, little. Big giant Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Get yourself some of that. This son of a bitch looks like a Komodo dragon mixed with a, I guess a rhino. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Okay, you're probably saying, yeah, dummy, that's what it's supposed to be. I don't know. Look at the feet on this bitch. Look at the feet. It's pretty cool, man. But I'm kind of, well, you know what? For painting purposes, I'm glad that I know a lot of people on the internet. I'm not going to kill too much time. I know a lot of people on the internet, a lot of collectors, and it's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. When what I'm about to say is that they get upset or they love the articulation. And now if you're a photographer, if you're taking pictures of the toys, you do toy photography, I could see that. But why me? I'm kind of old. I guess I'm old school, man. Maybe I'm old school. I think I don't need a whole lot of articulation. Now, the Battle Cat, before I get into Batman here, the comparison of the Revelations Battle Cat, it's kind of big. He's kind of big. Yeah, Battle Cat, he definitely still towers him. Yeah, he definitely towers it. But I mean, you know, you don't have to, it doesn't have to be big as Battle Cat. I'm surprised. I keep hitting the camera. I'm surprised that it's big enough. See, maybe that Battle Cat was as a sidekick for Batman. Maybe you don't need a big size Battle Cat. I think this would be a cool sidekick. And I know I already made a video, and I do. You know what I'm gonna do? I do have 2 of these Battle Cats. I'm hoping the internal line comes up. For the internal line, yeah, internal line. The Masters of the Universe internal line comes out with their version of Battle Cat. I think it'd be better than this one. This is an awesome Battle Cat. What I don't like about this Battle Cat, and I know I'm getting off all over topics and stuff like that. I think the headpiece on this Battle Cat needs to be, which everybody, I mean, that would be better. That's Battle Cat right there, in my opinion. Not like that. They just got lazy with that. This is almost as good as the old school, but not as good as the old school classic one, or whatever you want to call it, with the classics line or whatever. But anyway, yeah, I don't know. So I'm thinking, I don't know, man. Damn it, I don't know. I'm gonna, if I do the other Battle Cat, it's going to be for Skeletor. I'm gonna have my own. I like to have my own version of Battle. I know Panther comes just like basically like this. Panther comes like this, but he's purple. You know, he comes purple with a different little bit of a saddle or whatever. But that's it. I passed up on the Panthers. I passed up on them. I have another Battle Cat. If I don't use this, I know this is probably more appropriate for the size of Batman. I mean, that's probably more appropriate. Let me get up a little bit here. That's probably more crazy big right there. I probably can't get him to stay there. I know I did all these, and I'm jumping all over the place with my trying to do a custom. But I think this would be. I like that though. Man, I don't know now, man. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. Either way, I don't know. I don't know. You guys tell me. If anybody sees this, man, you tell me what you think. Just be honest. Just completely honest. I could, like I said, I did another video about this, changing the colors for the Battle Cat to accommodate this awesome figure. This is probably one of my favorite. This is one of my favorites so far, man. You can't beat that figure right there. I don't know if I should do any kind of light. I don't know if I'm. It's almost like I don't want to touch it. I just want to leave it the way it is. Damn, I don't know. I know what you're thinking. Come on, dummy, just make up your mind. I know. Anyway, but he does not want to stand up. I'm just letting you know that right now. He just doesn't want to stand up. Let's put him back here in the back. Let's put him back there where it's all nasty and red. Or not so much red, off red. I didn't go so much red. Anyway, this right here. Now, I wonder if you guys like the color of this thing? It's like a brownish, charcoal brown, or just a dark gray brown. It's almost brown. Maybe I'll subtly change his mask, his headpiece, into a leather look, and do his horns. Tighten up his little bit of a brown. I don't know if I want to mess with it or not. I might leave this just as well as it is too. I don't know. I know he's not going to fit on here. He's going to be way too big for this thing, man. He's going to be way too big for this thing, I think. You couldn't. Well, it's crazy. I'm like, god damn, man, Batman's like big as shit on this thing, man. I'm not going to set it up like a perfect pose or nothing, but he's going to be like, what the hell, man? I'd have to. I don't know if I should do that, or I don't know if he looks good. No, I don't. That'd be pretty cool. Like crazy looking. I mean, almost. What do you guys think? You think the horns got to be fixed? The horns have to be fixed. Or I could set them up and I can make a broken down, dingy diorama of some sorts of something, of whatever. I'm not sure yet. Of cracked up stuff and debris and stuff like that. He doesn't really have to be on him. He could be over here with them and pose him up or something. I don't know. But I don't know what you guys think, but this is a very good, this is a really good sculpt. Especially, I don't like this gold. That gold's got to go. The gold's going. I can make that like bright red or something, I don't know. And in the head dressing piece here, here you go. Yeah, I kind of don't like that. It's kind of, be honest with you, this is a stupid looking design. I don't know if that means something in the Avatar world. I'm sure it does. If that's cool, I would change. I don't know if I should change these buckles or not. They would look better silver. I don't know, but I think I may do. If I do anything, it's going to be. He's got. I see. Only if I access only his nail. Let me put the camera down a little bit. If I access only his, I'll brighten his eyes up, make him a little more brighter, just straight white. Blacken his nose. Maybe just do a follow the lines type of thing to show all the detail in this thing. Make this horn like an older horn, like I did. Let me show you. So more like the horns on my Beastman right here. Not so much cartoony look. I was going for the cartoony kind of vibe on that kind of painting there. A little bit of realism there, but not a whole lot of trying to go realistic. Not that I can really pull realistic off anyway, but that's the plan with this RHINO, or whatever he is. His horns match his body the same exact. I don't know. I'm going to go with I'm going to try to go maybe some subtle changes here on this one. But if I do that, and I do the subtle changes with his fingernails, the horns, his faceplate, I do have to do a lot of masking off. I'm going to paint his body. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep his body the same. But, I don't know. I'm back and forth with it, man. I'm always back and forth with it. It is a good looking sculpt. I think it matches Batman as a sidekick of some sorts. I don't know, man. You guys tell me. I'm not sure. But, I think that, yeah, the comparison, though, it's not too bad. Even though Batman's really big and thick, I think the RHINO still holds up to maybe being his sidekick. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching, man. I know I've been rambling kind of on and on, but I thank you guys for the support. I appreciate everyone that takes the time to watch these videos. I don't know. Like I said, give me your thoughts down below. If you happen to see this, even if you're not even subscribed, if you just happen to see this video, give me your thoughts what you would do. Would you do a complete repaint? Or would you just do a subtle repaint? Maybe straighten up the straps, put some wear on the straps. I don't know. But, yeah, the headpiece has to be fixed, I think. I don't know. Anyway, I think it looks good. They look good together. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.